You must have seen on a website that there are some words written there, which you click on and go to another web page. Basically, we call this linking. But the word on which that link is attached, which you click and go to another web page, we call it anchor text. So we will understand anchor text better in this video and how we can optimize this so that our website becomes SEO friendly. So let's start the video. Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers. I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. What is an anchor text? An anchor text is related to internal and external linking. If in case you don't know what is internal and external linking and how to do it, then the SEO playlist link is in the description box. Just go and watch for better understanding. Okay, let's understand an anchor text through an example. For example, I took the example of this website in my last video. As I want to read this blog, I go to a word which is linked and in blue. If I click on this, you can see that the same window is open with the same website but with a new blog. This is called internal linking. And if I go on again on a word which is linked and in blue, you can see that the new window is open with the new website and with the new blog. This is called external linking, right? So the text on which the link is attached, whether it is internal or external, we call this text anchor text. And if we talk about anchor, then the thing that is taking us somewhere or directing us somewhere is called anchor. Proper definition of anchor text is that these are some texts that are clickable because there is a hyperlink behind them. A link is attached to them, and that's why they are called anchor text. Now let's see what code is used behind it. What does the HTML work behind it? Simply, if you want to open the source file of any web page, just press Ctrl plus U and the source file will be open for you. And if you want to open the linked word or anchor text specifically in the source file, then let's see how you can do it. For example, this is a word which I want to see the source file of it. Just right click on it, inspect, and you can see the source file of the linked word is open on my right side. And here is the link, guide to email marketing. And if I click on this link, then you can see the new window is open because this is an external link. The new blog is open and you can see the URL of this web page. The same words are written here, blog. You can see if you go, this is the website link, and after that blog basics guide to email marketing. The link is same, and after the link here is email marketing written, which is the word on which we put our link on it. You can see. So this is our anchor text because we put our link, internal or external link, on it. So this word is our external text now. Sorry, anchor text now. The anchor text works in both internal and external linking. Now, what things do we have to take care of from the point of view of SEO in an anchor text? The first thing is that whatever your text is and whatever link it is being directed to, there should be relevancy between them. Like if I say click here and win $1,000, and as soon as you click on it, it will take you to a web page of Organically Marketing. This is completely irrelevant. These things count in spamming, and these are different techniques that you do not have to use at all. So, the source behind the anchor text that you have and the link behind it should be relevant. Apart from that, it is not that you are attaching a link to every word, then your entire text is blue. It should not be like that. I will suggest you that if you have one paragraph, or if I say 3 to 4 lines of your content, then in 3 to 4 lines only 2 or 3 should be your anchor text. Next one is that it should not be that we forcefully add any anchor text. A relevant link should be added to the relevant text. Your anchor text and link should be attached very naturally. It is not that we should use words like click here, or click here to know more. No, you can simply add the page of About Us in your link. Again, your content, your website, and the source you want to send to your audience, all those things should be relevant. There shouldn't be any irrelevancy at all. Next one is a very important thing, that is whenever you create backlinks anywhere, or if a link to your web page is added on some other website, still try to make it with proper anchor text. It is not that if I want to add the link of Organically Marketing to another website, then I will, or they just write www.organicallymarketing.com and leave it there. No, it shouldn't be like that. It should be right with proper anchor text, like if you want to join IT courses, then here is a good option for you. Then my link should be attached with some relevant content or what, then it will count as a quality backlink. The biggest thing is that anchor text improves your users navigation, and when we talk about a quality website, then definitely if there is good anchor text added on any website and it is relevant, then it will definitely be called a quality website. There is no limit how to how many anchor texts you should have, how many linking you should have. Just make sure that if you are adding any anchor text directly with any hyperlink, then that web page should be related to anchor text, and most importantly, it should exist on your website. So viewers, in this video we talked about anchor text. Anchor text is very important because it makes our internal and external linking even more effective. I hope in this video you would have been clear about anchor text and how to optimize it. If you learned something from the video, then don't forget to like and share it. Also subscribe to Organically Marketing. Thanks for watching. We will meet in our next video. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.